Welcome to the BEEVisio training. Adjustment and single window zoom. With the window zoom, I can zoom in on the view and can then use the command adjust drawing or F8 on the keyboard. I can switch back and forth quite easily. I'll need to keep using the zoom function because the dimensioning require this. I'll add a width dimension, let's say the total width. I can also just place the frame dimension in there again. If I press escape to exit measurement mode, I can also move the dimensions around quite easily. I'm going to take some basic measurements now to show the dimensions of my structure. Width, length, and height, and perhaps the width of the passageways as well. That is functional dimensions. I don't want to do any more than that for now. Let's enter the width of the alley here. I can move the view by holding down the mouse wheel button. I can adjust the zoom using the scroll wheel. I'm doing a height measurement. To do this, I've also placed the plate inside. That makes it much easier for me to get the measurements right and ensure a good fit. I'll do it again in the side view. I'll do the frame dimensions. I can also measure the overall width again. I really must save the build at some point. We'll take that one in a moment. Here too, just like in the scene, I need to keep saving my work. We want to measure the height accurately. To do this, we'll close the window. I'll go there, select my edge, and select the relevant planes. Let's place the height dimensions. Snap point, top edge of the slab. Move the entire view. Right, now I've got to save the window again. My design actually has sufficient standard dimensions. To provide the drawing with information about the materials it contains, you can do this here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next BEEVisio training session.